What's going on, everyone? Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Streetcar Shenanigans Shop Vlog. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I have imported a master welder in the background over here. Matt Lindsay from Wisconsin Race Cars has come to the shop to finish the exhaust on the red car. Is Matt's talent as he's working on the exhaust on this car. So we're putting 3-inch stainless all the way back. As you guys recall in the last videos, it has AccuFab 1 7/8 to 3-inch collector long tubes that we had ceramic coated by Loco Customs, or Loco Coatings, I'm sorry. And now Matt's out here finishing the 3-inch. So we're doing a V-band off the header. We did some angle cutting to get the V-band straight, and now we're working on fabbing the X-pipe onto it now. So here's Matt. Hey Matt.
How's it going?
So we got the V-bands on. He's got them tacked up. Really awesome job on the not so stainless. So that's where we're at there. So that centered the headers pretty much into the car because they were offset. You could see the length difference. So this one ends here, and then that one has like a 5-inch, 6-inch piece on it. This one's only got 3. So that leveled it off, and then we used a straight edge to get the V-bands pretty close to straight. Matt just tacked up these because we're fitting this into the car also. But it's looking awesome. We might get a couple more pie cuts to kick this side out, which we'll show you once we're in the car. But it's sitting really, it's gonna put the muffler like right on the drive shaft. But you can see how much straighter the headers sit now. So anyway, that is the project that we're working on now. And thank you to Matt for coming out and doing it. So check out his Facebook. Do you have YouTube, Matt?
No.
Instagram?
No.
So Facebook, Wisconsin Race Cars, and follow what he's doing. He's got about 20, 25 roll cages under his belt. Young guy just like us, starting his own business. So we appreciate him coming out here, and we'll show you guys what the product looks like once we get the X-pipe in, because that's what we're working on right now. Matt doing his magic. Pipe looks great, and it's tucked up nice. It's got far less clearance, or far more clearance than the headers do, so we're good there. And we kind of have it on an upward angle to get the mufflers tucked up and in, and the length is going to work out nice for us too. I dig it, Matt. I dig it. Beautiful. Most importantly, Borla reads correctly on both sides. And the rear end is obviously hanging right now, so this is gonna go up like 3-4 inches. And then we'll have to put some turn downs in it eventually, but not right this second. Matt's an all-star. Looks good, Matt. I fucking love it. I didn't think I would like the mufflers turn like that, but
Mufflers are perfectly even this way.
yeah, it looks really good. You just want to tack the mufflers on? Okay, let's just weld them on. Alright guys, so the test fitment has gone very well. So you see behind me the X-pipe and mufflers up to the V-bands. So far Matt has tacked everything in place where he wants it, and it fits really nice. And now he's just gonna weld everything up. So yeah, that's where we stand. But it fits awesome. It's the best fitting exhaust that's ever been on the car, really. Here's the test. Oh, I can work. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Fuck yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to think which way home am I?
Probably put the,
Like that?
yeah. Or you can still get at them from the bottom, but.
That's good.
It does.
You like it?
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Wow, it's kind of amazing. When I first saw the headers in here, I'm like, wow, they hang really low. And now that you got these fuckers in here,
Yeah.
you kind of need all that space.
They're pretty good.
Yeah. Just a little another introduction to Matt. Wisconsin race cars. Came out from Janesville and finished the whole exhaust. So you guys have seen that already, but now we're going to start it up. It's the first time we've heard it with exhaust on is with the new combination, and it's been done for a little while. So I'm going to have Michael recorded. Is the key on the wall or is it right here? French fry. Can you open that back door a little bit?
Throwing the dye in here.
Hold the battery switch.
Just like me.
He's certainly having fun.